is my first time canning, and this is what I canned while canning for the first time. So this is all of the product and produce that I had in my fridge that was either going bad or I needed to can in some form because I did not want to have to throw it out. So here is my water-based canner. I will be sanitizing my jars in there, and we're just going to prep all the fruits and vegetables. I will be juicing these amazing yummy grapes.
It's so weird, dude.
And I'm just going to shove all of these Concord grapes into my processor. I'm not taking the seeds out. My juicer. And this is going to create juice.
Oh shit, it's full, Don, look. Oh my god.
Oh. Oh, shut it down.
Oh! That's crazy. I've never had that happen before. It's full with juice, grape juice. Oh,
It had lots of liquid in this.
Wow. It looks so good. Ah! It smells so good. Alright guys, so this is the last of the grapes. Sorry. I've already created one quart or pint. What is this, a pint or a quart?
It's full.
Yeah, so 1 quart of fresh grape juice, and we have more coming. So I'm just gonna juice the rest of this on camera. But we already have this beautiful, awesome stuff. And as you can see, this is our setup, and we have our cans going. So here we go. Peroxide. How'd that look?
Pretty good.
Okay.
Now I'm going to make some orange juice, which was super yummy. We had this for breakfast the next day. And with the apples, I made applesauce. So I just took the cores and the pits and stuff and made applesauce. Again, if you guys would like to see a full video on how I made everything or one of these things, please let me know. It took hours and hours, and then I not have time to film everything. So this is me just blending the applesauce. And then this is me canning my peaches with a simple syrup and some vitamin C, which will help preserve it. And what I learned is to always de-bubble your cans. Wipe your rims with vinegar to make sure it's clean and nothing sticks to it so it can seal perfectly. But yeah, debubbling is like numero uno for me. I had so much fun canning, and I cannot wait to show you guys how to do it. So this is me removing some of my cans from my water canner, and it was so much fun. Again, you do have your oopsies, but all of my cans were perfect for the most part. And these are my peppers I canned, so all I did was take a vinegar-based solution. Same thing I used for my cucumbers, just a less sugar. This is the applesauce I made. And these are the peaches I made. Make sure to have a timer because everything cans, processing while water canning is completely different. But this is an amazing experience, and I hope you try it at home. Canning is so beautiful. So yeah, thanks for watching. Oh, make sure to test your can. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just testing it. So you take the rims off, and this is how I knew it was ready. You just take the lid and you kind of lift it. I'm not going to lift it too high, but that's how you know it's sealed correctly and it's, you know, you did your job. And also no puckering at the top. So yeah. This was an amazing experience. I am going to put everything inside of a thing, a box with the labels and the dates on it, and these are all of the goods I canned. Again, I am so grateful that I got to experience this. It's so much fun to do with other people. Thanks for watching, guys.